This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Maggie Rubar. Welcome to this beautifully remodeled 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home in desirable street, Petersburg, Florida. Perfectly blending modern updates with classic charm, this home features a spacious floor plan with abundant natural light throughout. The fully updated kitchen boasts sleek new cabinetry, granite countertops, and stainless steel appliances, making it a chef's dream. Both bathrooms have been tastefully renovated with contemporary finishes and stylish fixtures. The large master suite offers a private retreat, complete with ample closet space and an ensuite bathroom. Enjoy outdoor living in the fully fenced backyard, perfect for entertaining or relaxing in privacy. Located in a vibrant neighborhood, this home is just minutes from downtown Street, Petersburg, Central Avenue, the beautiful beaches, and local parks. With new flooring, fresh paint, and a new roof, this home is move-in ready and waiting for you to make it your own. Don't miss out, schedule your showing today. For more information,